Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
New York Times Business.
November 9, 11:19 America, New York. Twitter files paperwork to enter payments business. Elon Musk, Twitter's new owner, has been looking for ways to generate more revenue at the social media company.
Digital finance.
November 9, 10:48 America, New York. The fall of FTX, a tragedy in 3 acts. FTX's ruination underlines the flaws in crypto, and points to what is required to restore the industry. The post "The Fall of FTX, a Tragedy in 3 Acts" appeared first on Digital Finance.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 9, 10:45 America, New York. Disney shares slide as streaming losses balloon. Streaming losses more than doubled in the recent quarter but have reached their peak, says CEO Bob Chapek.
New York Times Business.
November 9, 10:40 America, New York. Keurig Dr. Pepper invests $50 million in athletic non-alcoholic brewer. The deal is a sign of continued interest in the fast-growing category of non-alcoholic beer, which jumped to about $670 million in annual sales in 2021. Bill Shufelt left, a co-founder of Athletic Brewing, at the company's production plant in 2019.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 9, 10:36 America, New York. Twitter launches Gray, official label to verify certain accounts. Designation confers authenticity on the account and differs from the for purchase blue checkmark.
Global economy.
November 9, 10:30 America, New York. UK nurses vote to strike over pay. Royal College of Nursing members back first countrywide action in 106-year history.
Daily FX Market News.
November 9, 9:34 America, New York. U.S. dollar price action ahead of CPI. EUR, USD. GBP, USD. USD, CAD. The USD is grasping for support at a key spot ahead of tomorrow's CPI print, but EUR, USD performance may have an outsized impact on the matter given the prolonged trend that's now in focus.
New York Times Business.
November 9, 9:19 America, New York. Keurig Dr. Pepper invests $50 million in non-alcoholic brewer. The deal is a sign of continued interest in the fast-growing category of non-alcoholic beer, which jumped to about $670 million in annual sales in 2021. Bill Shufelt left, a co-founder of Athletic Brewing, at the company's production plant in 2019.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 9, 9 o'clock America, New York. IBM unveils new chip in push to realize quantum computing's promise. We're getting closer and closer, said Director of IBM Research Dario Gil. Global economy.
November 9, 8:35 America, New York. Germany should raise taxes on rich to fund €200 billion energy plan, advisors say. Economics professor says Berlin must look at more uncomfortable side of how to finance aid package.
Marginal revolution.
November 9, 8:02 America, New York. The election results. I have no interest in discussing them, other than to note the median voter theorem is alive and well. But if your mood affiliation needs yet another outlet, the comments section is open.
Global economy.
November 9, 7:57 America, New York. The era of mortgage dominance. Forget about fiscal dominance, nothing spooks CBs like angry homeowners.
Daily FX Market News. November 9, 7:30 America, New York. WTI crude oil retreats as U.S. inventories jump and China COVID fears escalate. WTI slips back below the psychological $90 level. Demand fears and supply risks weigh on prices. Daily FX Market News.
November 9, 7:30 America, New York. A guide to trading psychology. The psychology of trading is often overlooked but is a key part of a professional trader's skill set.
BBC News Business.
November 9, 6:30 America, New York. Facebook owner Meta to cut 13% of its workforce. Chief Executive Mark Zuckerberg said it was one of the most difficult changes in Meta's history.
BBC News Business.
November 9, 4:37 America, New York. M&S warns of gathering storm as higher costs bite. Profits fall sharply at the high street giant as it struggles with higher energy bills and overheads.
BBC News Business.
November 9, 229 America New York, Made.com goes bust with up to 500 jobs lost. The firm, which enjoyed soaring sales during COVID lockdowns, hit problems as households cut back.
Marginal revolution.
November 9. 1 o'clock America New York, Switzerland markets in everything. Switzerland, one of the world's richest nations, has an ambitious climate goal. It promises to cut its greenhouse gas emissions in half by 2030. But the Swiss don't intend to reduce emissions by that much within their own borders.
Marginal revolution.
November 9, 058 America New York, Austrian business cycle theory today. That is the topic of my latest Bloomberg column, excerpt. One reason the current economic situation is so fraught is that the world is facing three kinds of business cycle mechanisms at the same time.